In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, one advancement stands at the crossroads of innovation and ethical debate: artificial intelligence in warfare. Today, we explore a transformative force reshaping global defense strategies: AI, the driving power behind autonomous combat systems. Imagine a battlefield where decisions are made in milliseconds by machines, not humans. This is no longer science fiction, but an emerging reality. Nations worldwide are investing heavily in these technologies, aiming for a competitive edge in the modern arms race. From surveillance drones to autonomous weaponry, AI is redefining what is possible on the front lines. But with great power comes profound ethical questions. Who is accountable when an autonomous system makes a life or death decision? How do we prevent misuse or unintended consequences in such high-stakes scenarios? These are not just hypothetical concerns, but urgent matters that demand our attention. As we delve deeper, it's crucial to recognize the dual-edged nature of AI in warfare. While it has the potential to save lives by reducing human involvement in dangerous operations, it also raises fears of escalation and a loss of control. The global race for AI dominance in defense is well underway, but the question remains: can we balance innovation with responsibility? It's up to us to shape the narrative and ensure that the future of warfare does not compromise our humanity. Thank you for joining this exploration of AI in warfare. Stay informed, stay engaged, and let's continue this critical conversation.